Hey everyone, this is Julia with Honest Hotel Reviews, and today I'm at the Hampton Inn & Suites giving you an honest review of the Hampton On the House Breakfast Buffet. This video is not sponsored, but if you find it helpful, we would love your support. Give us a like, leave a comment, or subscribe. Every morning from 6 until 10 a.m., the Hampton Inn & Suites offers their signature hot breakfast buffet. Although they call it complimentary or on the house, we have noticed there's an extra charge for every additional guest in the room, which we assume covers this. That said, it's nice to have a quick and easy breakfast available to help you start your day. Here are some of the highlights of the buffet. The DIY waffle station, the oatmeal station, the yogurts and cereals, and their coffees and teas. Other items like their eggs, bacon, and potatoes looked and tasted like they were pre-cooked, then reheated. Their fruit salad was also a little underwhelming, so we opted for a piece of fresh fruit instead. The dining area is huge and even has outdoor seating, which is a great plus. Another nice touch was the coloring page and crayons for kids. Our feelings on this hot and cold breakfast buffet are exactly that, hot and cold. Because the hotel charges an extra fee for every additional person in the room, we would expect a higher quality breakfast offering. But we did find it convenient, and there's certainly something for everyone. Plus, the staff here are amazing. We recommend this hotel to couples and business professionals who are looking for a more budget-friendly yet adult-minded stay at a Disneyland Good Neighbor hotel. For more information on the Hampton Inn & Suites, check out our other honest review videos, such as our resort tour, room tour, and the tour of the pool and fitness center. If you liked our review but you're considering other hotels in the area, we add new hotel reviews every week. Head over to our YouTube channel or check us out at honesthotelreviews.com for our hotel recommendations and travel tips. I'm Julia, and this has been another Honest Hotel Review.